We are pleased to show you the 2020 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, remote vehicle start, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.